Hello guys, this video is about installing the bigger displays that we have for ERSIN bikes. So you get it in the box, you get these screws, you get this screen with these buttons, take it off, it's literally like that, it comes through that way. So first thing to do is go to your bike and you can take off your old screen. So I'm going to turn it around like that to show you guys that there's just one screw here at the bottom. Sorry, that's the wrong one. This is the correct one. You go like that, and then that comes off. That's your old one. Out the way. Do not lose that. Might be handy to keep hold of it. And to unplug it, this is it. The arrow's facing each other. You just pull it off. Should just come off that way like that. That's your original screen off. Now we're gonna fit this new screen. So the screen comes like this. So it's gonna go here, these two things. So literally just open this, push it in, open this side and push it in again. So it should kind of hold itself already. And then this is the buttons. So I want the buttons to be like this. So I want the cable around the back. So I'm gonna put it around the back this way, like that, and then attach it so that that could be there somewhere there. Once that's into place, we're going to get these screws. We have these screws here like that, and I have this tool here to tighten it, and then they come with this. This is the fiddly bit really. So if you turn it upside down, you can put this one in the insertion here. Yeah, careful with that. You basically need to put that in there. Once that's in, you can put the screw on the other side and screw it on so it holds. Like this. Starting to hold now. That's great. Doesn't have to be tight, but it just needs to hold itself, you see. That's great. Now we'll do the other one. So I'm gonna put this one in here like that. That's in. And here is the screw. I'm just gonna put that in that way, holding that so it doesn't fall off. And we're just gonna screw it on that way. And that should kind of hold itself nicely. There we go. It's grip, it's holding. So you can push it back here like this, and you have the screw holes here, and you can just tighten it until how you would like it. So when you're seated on the bike, you can adjust the height like this before you make it very tight, and then that should be it. Now this is the button. Let's do the button. It's exactly the same way of doing it. So I will get this, put this button here, this nut here, put the screw in, and this one has the smaller tool here. Tighten it this way, and it's holding itself. So I'm gonna keep it a little bit looser, and it's in. You push it in to where you want it. I want it like roughly here. And then now I will tighten it here. It's nice and firm. Now, next thing is to plug it in. So this is the this is what's on the new one. This is where we unplug the original screen. So you just have to look at it, and they have a slot here, and this one has it there. Make sure that they match. There's arrows on them as well, so they kind of need to face each other. And you just push it gently, and it's in. Now we have finished installing it. These screens do have a plastic cover on the top, so if you the plastic protection comes off if you actually peel it. So if you go like that and pull it off, they do come off like that, and it's nice and crispy and clean on the top there. So once we pull this one off like that, get rid of that, and now let's switch the bike on, which is the button in the middle here, press and hold, and then it starts working. Okay, now this one doesn't have a different screen, so everything's displayed. Your time, your trip is here, and then how long it's been on, and your voltage reader. You know, it shows you how much battery you have, the power resistance level you have here, and how much power it's putting out. So you can go up to power assist levels here like this, and down. That's in kilometers. It shows you everything like that. And to change what's on the bottom, as you press the on button, but a little bit sideways, like pull it to the side. Now it's showing you the odometer, the total miles, and you press it again. It will show you the expected approximate range for the battery, and then it's going to show you the max speed. It's going to show you average speed. It's going to show you the time, and it's going to show. That's how you flick through 6 of these like this. And also this one has a built-in sensor here for the light, so if it's dark or something, it's gonna cover it up, and then the headlights go on that way, and it tells you that the headlights on through here on this screen. If you look over here, so if I remove my hand where it's light, it goes off and it goes on, so just like that. And also how to enter the settings on this one is you double click the on button, and then you're into the settings. You go up, down here, and then the OK button is the center button again. So you can change your matrix to imperial, and brightness of the screen, auto, and screen, battery, voltage, power indicator. You can change you can add a go to basic settings. That was, you can go here, the wheel size, voltage, USB port on, light sensor, you can switch that one off if you want it to. Factory settings, information, exit. So you can go to information, it will tell you approximate the information that you need. But if you go down to advanced setting and click OK, and the password is going to be input password 1919, and then you're in the advanced setting, which is the speed limit. You can click OK, and you can change the speed limit in miles an hour, and assist level is 5. You can have it 9 assist levels, 3 assist level is 5. 5 is the standard, just keep it on 5. And then there's the error code, so it will read your error codes. If it does read error codes, it will all come up here as well also. So you can click exit, and you're here. So we've changed it to miles an hour, which is the imperial measurement, and yeah, it's on power level 4. So I'm going to go up lift the back wheel in the air, and I'm going to use the throttle now. If you have a look, it's showing me it's doing 38 miles an hour at the moment. Yeah, power level 5. When you apply the brakes, there's a sensor there, or if you apply this one, the power cut-off function on the brakes, it shows you that you're holding the brake. Yeah, it has all the information you need here. I think that is all to tell you guys. So to switch it off, press and hold the off button, press and hold, switch it on again, and it switches back on just like that, and it's in miles an hour. Yeah, that's all there is. I think that is all there to talk about with this screen. Yeah, thanks for watching.